Hi members, Miss Heidi here, and today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon scented Play-Doh. So for this craft you'll need flour, water, salt, cream of tartar, vegetable oil, cornstarch, and cinnamon. So let's get started. So first we're going to take our microwave safe bowl and add 1 cup of flour. There we go. 1 cup of flour. Next we're going to add 1 cup of water. And now half a cup of salt. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. One and 2. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. One and 2. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. One tablespoon. And 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. One and 2. And there's all our ingredients. Next, we're going to take a spoon and mix it up. And try to get as many of the clumps out as you can. Go. And now we're going to put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. Please make sure you have your parents' permission and supervision before using the microwave or taking your bowl out of the microwave because it is hot. So after you take your ingredients out of the microwave, we're going to mix them up. And try to start forming it into a ball. You can also kind of knead it with your spoon by pressing down on it, and that'll help it form. After a few minutes of mixing, your Play-Doh should be cool enough for you to touch. So just test it out, and please be safe. And you can go ahead and put your spoon down and use your hands to knead the dough. And now it'll form into your Play-Doh. So here's my Play-Doh, and you can mold it and shape it, and you can press on it and make designs, like here's my handprint, and it smells like cinnamon. I hope you have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye!